Let's take a look at this DIY peekaboo book, which can help 1 to 2 year olds with their communication and language. Peekaboo and lift the flap style books are always popular with babies and toddlers. With this activity, you can quickly and easily turn any book into a peekaboo book for your child to explore and enjoy. This makes it easy to set up as a last-minute activity and a great addition to your on-the-go activities. Start by choosing one of your child's first word books and cover some of the pictures with sticky notes. Let them explore lifting the sticky notes to see what is underneath. It's also fine if they want to pull them off. This is great for their fine motor skills. Make comments about what they can see under the sticky notes. Oh, a cow! Moo! Then gradually move on to asking them questions about what they can see. As your child gets more confident, you could ask them, "Where is the?" and challenge them to find it. Alternatively, you can put the sticky notes on top of the pictures on one of the first word mats included here. These would be easy and light enough to put in your bag to take out and about to restaurants or friends' houses. Head over to our website and check out our Twinkl Tots play-based course for more activities. Have fun, see you next time!